Hi sis! We're here at Baby Banting. Ito yung pinaka magandang shop for baby here in Wagga Wagga sis. So, this is one of my favorite shop din dito. So, dito namin nabili yung prom ni Ollie and yung kanyang car seat. So, we need to invest something like car seat and prom, proper prom. We don't need to buy something like cheap one para sa safety ng mga bata, sisi. So, up today, we're looking at high chair for our Ollie kasi nag-feed na si Ollie. So, she's starting eating na. So, kailangan na namin siyang bilhan ng high chair. So, it's easy for mommy to feed her too. Andito na lahat yung kailangan mo as her mommy sisi. So, lahat andito na. Like yung mga bassinet, yung mga changing table for baby's stuff. Ayan sila. Ang dami. Super sarap mamili dito mga sis. Napakagandang pasyalan niyan. Tapos ayan pa yung mga swing. Super gaganda, diba, sisi? Dito din kami nabiling swing for Ollie. Yan. Ang sarap mamili dito, promise. This is one of my favorite shop at the moment because we're having Ollie. Ayan. Ang sarap magtingin-tingin. Yan. Tapos, ayan. Mapapabili ka na lang talaga. Thank you for watching.